January 2008, core 1, the fifth question. Factorise this, and I know you don't like factorising with a minus there, but it is just going to be 9 and 1, isn't it? That's our first guess, isn't it? So what have we got here? We've got -1. Got it around the right way, or have we got it around the wrong way? We've got it around the wrong way, haven't we? So 9 and a minus there sorts out factorising. Don't be afraid to just try something and then correct it if it looks a little wrong. Then show that this can be written as to complete the square, and they've actually done it for you. So let's multiply this thing out. We've got x squared plus 2 4s 8 and plus a 16, and it's 25. Take away all of that, so we've got 25, take away x squared, take away 8x, take away 16, and of course 25 take away 16 does make the 9 as required. Why has that gone wrong? Then what are you going to do? Write down its line of symmetry. Well, this graph here, what does it look like? Oh, you've got to do that later on, but you know it's going to be highest point here up at 25, and the highest point here is when x is -4. So we've got -4, 25, looking something like this. Crossing here, you know, at 9, and so the line of symmetry is straight down there. The line of symmetry is x equals -4. The coordinates at its vertex, we've already thought about that. That would be -4, and how high is it going? It's going all the way up to 25. And then sketch the curve. I've sketched the curve. Intersect the values of the x-axis and the y-axis. I've only done the y-axis, so the x-axis, I've done the work for it up here. It must be crossing at 1. That must be a 1. It must be crossing at -9. That must be a -9. There is my sketch. And that's the sketch I did, isn't it? 2 marks for that factorising. 1 if you had the, you know, I initially got it around the wrong way. You would have got 1 for that, but 2 for it being correct. And here's there. Candidates did not seem confident when the coefficient of x squared was negative, and obviously we know that from seeing that in class.